from 9 to 5 to a thriving agent in just 90 days. I'd love for you to meet Anne. Anne was a top manager of a local business for more than 20 years. She started to feel a bit unfulfilled from her career and got a real estate license part-time. Anne started dreaming of leaving that 9 to 5 and getting into real estate full-time, but she, like many others, was terrified of losing that steady paycheck that hit her account every 2 weeks for the entirety of her career. I got the chance to meet Anne and show her the path to getting a replacement of that paycheck in just 90 days. Anne did the work. She showed up, she plugged into the plan, she was there for daily training and accountability, she met with her one-on-one mentor, and she completed each of these steps of the plan to not just be a thriving agent in 90 days, but to completely replace her income. She started getting not just 2 paychecks a month, but 3 paychecks a month and several more in the pipeline. If you're like Anne and a little bit afraid of leaving that full-time 9 to 5 steady paycheck and want to make real estate full-time, send me a message or give me a call to book your free strategy session today.